how to allow anyone to open your Google Docs. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily allow everyone to easily view or open your Google Docs. So first thing, just head over to your Google Docs, and if you have any of the Google Docs which you'd like to share with the people, but if it's on restricted mode, then the people cannot view your particular Google Doc. So let me just show you an example. So I have in this untitled document over here, and if I were to click on this manage access, here you can see it's only on restricted mode, which means no one can see. Only the people added can open with this link. That means the people to whom I have added here will only be able to see this. But if you were to change that, you just have to simply click on this change button over here and just click on this, and you can see the option with anyone with the link. So just tap on it and it should update the restriction, and now anyone will be able to view this document when you send your copy link. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.